Is it working? Great. So, what are we doing today? We are, hello. All right, great. Anyway, so we're doing this, I don't know why this is so stressful right now. Okay, should not be very stressful. Okay, all right, we're doing this, and how are we doing it? So basically, okay, so let's go into, okay, let's see, what commit are we on? Okay, so this is the last commit. Okay, yeah, I think I pushed this thing up, so okay, yeah, and then I was fucking around with, I had to run some stuff and I didn't have a computer, so I had to run it in the CI and I pushed it to the same branch. So this is the last commit you all remember because of this video series. So, um, so, okay, yeah, so, and I think that was around the demo last week, yeah, okay, right after, okay, and then I forgot to commit this one. And what was this one? This one was, oh yeah, this thing, right? So when we did our little quick and dirty support for the links, which we probably didn't need to do yet, but here we are. We're figuring things out, doing it the best we can. So um, when you re-import right from a JSON, it's going to load as a list rather than a tuple, and so it didn't account for that because it hadn't run the code yet. So here then we found out we needed to add a little list there to these instance checks. So I also created a label called Alice, and so we can tag any issues with the Alice label now that are pertaining to Alice, just to help us stay organized a little more. Okay. Um, all right, let's jump into it. So I think what we'll do is we'll I mean, this should be like two functions, two or three. Yeah, this is two functions, I think. Or no, this is a few functions. Okay, so check for status of common files. So, you better not be pissing up there, goddamn it. Here he comes. Um, Ruffles! 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 He's on his way. Can you say hello? Here, I'll let him say hi. All right, that was all we got. Okay. How are we going to do this, Ruffles? Oh, he's got an alternate implementation for us. It's called Snuggle Time. I don't know if that's going to work here, Ruffles. Wonderful, wonderful implementation. Not sure if it's appropriate here. Okay. For this one, we're going to use functions. Python functions. A little bit of different methodology. Okay. Now the trick is how to keep him satisfied. Okay. Ruffles. 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 I love you. I love you, but I have to box you out. Okay. Entities. Alice. Alice. What was that? What was that? Huh? Okay, so threats. So how do we make threats? Okay, so threats is actually a run single. Seems like awfully complicated for just making one class. Is there an easier way we could do this? Let's not worry about it now. Okay, so run interception, run records set. Okay, so run records set. Okay, so we want to take that, we want to overlay this flow. So excuse me. Okay, let's go take a look at that. Okay, Rebels, this is not working for me. Okay, intersection record set. Okay, so we can just subclass from this, and we can say data flow. Okay, no, because we need to support the overlay. Okay, so this worked. Okay, so if we had our system context as CLI command stuff already, this would be easier, right? So because this thing run record set takes data flow. Actually, run record set and run all records. Okay, so let's actually just go and modify those to take an overlay. And actually, let's modify them. Yeah, so let's add those files. Operations, inner source to operations, inner source. Okay, operations. Okay, GitHub workflow present. Why are we importing subprocess? Oh wait, did we already do this? If I find out right. Okay. Yeah, okay, so what am I debating on? Why is this taking me so long? Okay, so um, the links, if we put the links on the definition, we put the links on the definition. I'm trying to figure out if we have an input object. Okay, so if an operation were to take an input, okay, fucking get parents. Where is that? So this has been, oh, oh no, oh no, oh no. There's an open issue for this. Okay, so why is this such a problem? Well, those parents, they all have to be in memory for this to work. That goes against everything that we do. Um, this should be async. Where are you used? You should be async. And okay, so the input object, that's right. We can It's been years since I looked at this. Okay, the input object here and get parents. So specific input objects, we could subclass the input object and have the input network. Then, so this would be basically memory input, and then there would be other inputs, and then basically when you instantiated them from the input network, you might set the input network as a property, and then when you do get parents, you would call into the input network and grab the parents specifically to the way that the input network would want to get them, and you would do it asynchronously. So, because obviously you don't know if those inputs exist in memory yet or not. So, so this is bad. This is very bad. Um, so let's make it async and see what explodes. Return. Yeah, look at this. This is just disgusting. Okay. Okay. It's gonna fuck up so many things. Okay. All right. Let's just do it. Just getting it done. We're getting it done. Wait. Why? Wait. Okay. Maybe I should just not do this right now. I don't have time for this right now. I don't have time for this right now. It is 7:23. Okay. I don't have time for this right now. It's not going to just be one little quick change. I'm trying to justify it again. Okay. 7:23. My watch is off again. Okay. Bail. We're bailing. We're assigning that issue label Alice. All right. Let's go find it. Issue 52. Yeah, that tells you how old that is. Um, oh God. Okay. Um, all right. Now it's got label Alice on it. Okay. All right. So here's our Alice stuff. We need to sync to-dos. Remember, we're going to synchronize state across time when we go back to dumping the thread. So we've had another open issue to sync to-dos across GitHub and issue the code base. And so we'll get to that when we do that as well. All right, okay, be chill, dude. Okay, so now hopefully we won't forget that one. Let's just do this as well. I think that's the only thing with that name. Okay. Oh man, oh, but look at that. Oh, it would be so easy. Oh, let's just do it. Let's just do it. Oh fuck. Okay, we're just gonna do it. Okay, okay. All right. Okay. Don't tell me that I'm doing this. Okay. Okay. We're gonna just do it real quick. Okay. All right, so this is so how do I okay, what if you okay, so you're doing a common refactoring thing, right? Okay, change everything. Okay, so do git grep for whatever the hell you want to change, right? And then basically just um, take out um, use sed to remove everything after the colon on the output there, and then we can do sort unique, and now we have all the files we need to edit. And when we do that, then we can just go vim, and then here we go. Now we're just going to do all of them, okay? So get parents, okay, plus, okay, so unfortunately input is a reserved word in Python. So you'll see item in place of input in the code base everywhere. Okay. All right, that one looks done. This is the one we already did. I'm going to copy paste the line. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Am I clobbering the name item? I am. Oh, Jesus, I apologize. Okay, this is disgusting. Okay, I apologize. All right, okay, we should be done. Let's see. So item async for item in parameter origin get parent. Okay, so now remember a parameter is a basically like the I'm about to call you version of an input. Parents, parents, parents. This is okay. Looks good to me. Let's do a diff on it. Looks good to me. Those were all async methods. Okay. All right. Here goes nothing. Make your parents async. An async iterator. Actually, I want to put a note on. All right, so where are we at in our little stream? Okay, 19 minutes in. Give me one where, come on, give me a Python. All right, never mind. 19. We'll say 17 times 60. Actually, it's probably sooner than that. All right, so that's the time. 52. Characters access. Opened about 3 years ago. No, it looks like last year I thought that. Okay, so we comment on it. Okay. Pretty sure. Pretty sure we need to make input, memory input, rename input to memory input, and then have get parents optionally take the take an input network, right? And so what do we do if we want to actually use multiple input networks? We create an input network, which is an alias for multiple. Similarly to what we do with sources. Okay, so take an input. It could then resolve inputs if they are not cached in memory. All right, okay. I think we've documented that sufficiently now. Okay. Why the hell were we talking about that? Oh, because I wanted to get the parents. Okay, so okay, so we were gonna refactor the operation implementation so that when it takes, oh god, no, I don't want to do that right now. Run. Okay, we're just not gonna do that right now. We're just not gonna do that right now. Okay, so okay. Unused import. Okay. How are we doing on battery here? Desperately in need. Okay. 1 moment, please. All right. Okay. All right. All right, so let's jump in here and let's just create a few more of these. Okay. Your repository repo checked out. Why does that say it returns? Okay, so okay. Check Git repo check for readme. Okay, so okay, how should I contribute? Oh no. Okay, so we're running it. So you can't do an async iterate. So you can't do this within this. Okay. That means our lovely, that's why I didn't do this earlier, because I liked the way this generator was. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Okay. I don't think we need to do the deduplication at that level. So we add to the list of parents. So parents append list. Okay, so it's mad about us on the other file. Alright, so it's mad here. Alright, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to create this parents object. Just not going to create it with the generator. Once again, why is everything generators? Because then it's pretty quick and easy to see what the hell's going in there. It's hard when you have a bunch of for loops. Okay. Okay. Int has no attribute export, so my guess is we're yielding something incorrect here. Okay. Let's just try that. Okay, keys. Got coroutine. Okay. Okay, yeah, so we actually have to go through and yield in the other one. Because or else, yeah, it'll just return a list, and we don't want to return a list, we want to return. Yeah. We want it to be a stream. An async iterator is basically a stream. We love streams. I think it might be running. It keeps getting locked up at this lines of code to comments. On the lock acquisition. Oh man, okay. Why is it doing this? Okay. Dispatch lines of code to comments. Dispatch lines of code to comments. Output. Dispatch acquiring. So who has the lock? Acquired. So someone has the lock. Else does not exist. Debatable. Okay. Oh, it doesn't do it if the debugger's attached. That's right. Motherfucker. Okay, no, it does. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm trying to debug here. All right, let's grab the event loop. Okay. All right, let's see what do we got here. So we have a bunch of async generators. Okay, it looks like they're all okay. Running the acquire. Okay, async gens. Okay. Server sock, client sock, maybe? I don't know anything about those. So. Async gens. Okay, here's all the async generators that are running. Okay. So acquired blank memory lock network. Fuck. Fuck. Oh my god. I fucked up. Okay, so removing the subprocess. Okay, I rebased in this guy, so get checkout dash p head -1 dash dash. Okay, so basically I accidentally added this operations. Diff dash or git log dash p dash dash operations. Okay, so right? So we didn't want this change to this file, right? So we can t that to temp patch, right? So let's reverse it. So git log. So we just want the last commit reversed. So n1 and then dash capital R is reverse. Dash p is show me the actual diff in the log. And just for operations, and we want it to go to temp patch, right? So now we can go through and we can apply this. So I'm about to take it out. So git or uh, so that says import process. This says minus import subprocess. Or no, we want dash. So this should be t temp patch.